Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 10 Pocket Edition mods that you need. Number 1. The Morph Plus version 3. This lightweight add-on allows you to morph into any mob you've killed in game. Simply crouch and jump to access your morph menu. Select the desired mob and transform. Number 2. The Bridge add-on. This adds realistic and diverse bridges to your Minecraft world with this mod. It includes various designs such as bamboo, cobblestone and metal bridges. You can get all bridges by typing /function all bridges in the chat. Number 3. The Thirsty add-on. This mod adds a new thirsty system, making Minecraft more realistic. A new thirst bar appears on your screen which you can replenish by going into water, using cauldrons filled with water, or drinking water bottles. Number 4. 3D combat. Upgrade your combat experience with new 3D items and weapons. This add-on brings visually appealing, high-damage weapons like the Diamond Lance into your game with complete custom animations, making combat feel more immersive. Number 5. More Plants add-on. This add-on expands the variety of flora in your game by adding new plants and crops. You can now find and grow items like eggplant, pineapple, tomato, garlic, and strawberry. Number 6. Rad Boys mobs. Discover a new plethora of new and unique mobs with this add-on. It introduces creatures like beautiful jellyfish, jade dragons, creepy white spikes, and a colossal squid. This add-on also includes new items and armor related to these creatures. Number 7. More Tools add-on. This excellent add-on introduces a vast array of new and improved tools and armor. You can craft these with new ores such as redstone, quartz, emerald, prismarine, lapis, amethyst, and steel. These ores can be found naturally in caves and offers new progression paths. Number 8. More Apples add-on. This mod enriches your world with new types of apples, each providing unique power-ups. Beyond the standard golden apple, you can find enchanted versions made from redstone, iron, diamond, lapis, emerald, and even netherite. Each gives you a new powerful effect. Number 9. Hardcore mode add-on. For players seeking the ultimate challenge, this mod brings the hardcore mode from Minecraft Java Edition to Bedrock. If you die in this mode, you do not respawn. Instead, you can only spectate your world or leave the game. Number 10. The RL Craft Collection. This collection of add-ons aims to mimic the challenging RL Craft experience in Minecraft Bedrock. It bundles various mods including more TNT, nether expansions, crafting progressions, new biomes, and over 1,000 new mobs. This is definitely a must-have. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!